Hello from Chinachi.com. This is Mark Josie, and today I'm going to do a shooting test and a review for this Elite Force brand 0.20 gram glow in the dark Tracer BBs. This is normal white BBs. Okay, so let's see. Magic, right? And this is the gun for today, the King Arms P90. As you can see that I did some mod. So here's the extended butt inside with a nice battery, and of course I took the box mag off, and here is the glow in the dark tracer round suppressor. So here you can see that there's a button. Okay? If you press that in, now it's off. Now it's on. No, there we go. Turn that on, like that, and then you can see it's charged up. Okay guys, this is the King Arms P90 with the tracer round on. Let's go.